Have you ever want to lose weight, but something inside you just freezes? If you're over 40 and weight loss feels scary instead of exciting, this video is for you. My name is Milton. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 real fears people over 40 have about losing weight. Things nobody say out loud, but almost everyone feels. And by the end of this video, I want you to feel understood, not judged. Let's be honest for a moment. If you're over 40, weight loss isn't just about food or exercise anymore. It's about past failure, slower body hormones, stress, and fear of making things worse instead of better. So if you've been too scared to even start again, I need you to hear this clearly. You're not lazy, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. Fear number one, fear of failing again. This is a big one. You have tried before, diets, programs, promises, and maybe the weight came right back or never left. So now your brain say, why try again? I'll just fail. That fear isn't about weight. It's about protecting yourself from disappointment. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Fear number two, fear that your body is too old now. A lot of people over 40 quietly believe this. My body doesn't work like it used to. Slower movements, joint pains, hormonal changes. So the fear becomes, what if my body just won't respond anymore? But here's the truth. Your body didn't stop working. It just needs a different approach now. Fear number three, fear of extreme diets. You have seen them before. No carbs, no joy, no life. Starving, counting every bite, feeling miserable. So when someone say lose weight, your body remembers suffering. That fear is your nervous system saying, I don't want to be punished again. And it's valid. Fear number four, fear of losing energy instead of gaining it. Over 40, energy is everything. You are thinking, what if I diet and feel weak? What if I'm too tired to work? Man and woman, listen. Weight loss shouldn't drain you. But the fear comes from past experience where it did. Real progress should add energy, not steal it. Fear number five, fear of hormones working against you. This one especially hits hard after 40. Men worry about testosterone, women worry about menopause, perimenopause, and thyroid issues. And the fear sounds like, no matter what I do, hormones will win. Hormones do matter, but they are not a life sentence. Ignore them is the problem. Respecting them is the solution. Fear number six, fear of losing comfort food. Food isn't just food anymore. It's comfort and stress relief. Something that feels familiar when life feels heavy. So losing weight can feel like losing a friend. And that fear whispers, if I give this up, what do I have left? This isn't weakness, it's emotional survival. Fear number seven, fear of being judged. You might worry, what will people think if I try and stop again? What if they watch me fail? Sometimes it feels safer stay silent than visible. But remember this, most people aren't judging you. They're fighting their own battle. Fear number eight, fear that it will take too long. At this stage in life, time feels precious. You think, I don't have years to fix this. I should already be where I want to be. So the fear becomes, what if it's too late? Let me say this gently. Slow progress now is still progress. Fear number 9. Fear of letting yourself up again. This one is quiet but powerful. Hope hurts when it's been broken before. So instead of hoping, you protect yourself by saying, it's fine, I'm fine. But deep down, you still want to feel better in your body. And that hope hasn't died. It's just been hiding. Fear number 10. Fear of losing your identity. This one surprised a lot of people. You have lived in this body for years. It's familiar, even if you don't love it. So changing feels scary. You wonder, who will I be if I succeed? What if I don't recognize myself? Growth always feels uncomfortable before it feels freeing. Fear number 11. Start with health, not the scale. Focus on improving your energy, blood pressure, and overall wellness, not just a number on the scale. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, even small weight loss can significantly improve your health maker. Fear number 12. Accept that your body has changed. After 40, your body and system get naturally slower. This is normal, not failure. Adjusting expectation help remove fear and frustration. Fear number 13. Set small realistic goals. Instead of trying to lose 30 pounds quickly, aim for 1 to 2 pounds per week. Small wins build confidence. Fear number 14. Stop comparing yourself with your younger self. Your lifestyle, hormones, and responsibilities are different now. Focus on progress, not the past. Fear number 15. Don't fear muscle loss, protect it. Add light strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Muscle actually helps burn more calories and supports health aging. If any of these fears sound familiar, I want you to pause for a moment. Take a breath. Because the problem isn't that you're scared. The problem is that nobody told you it's okay to be scared. Weight loss after 40 isn't about force. It's about safety, patience, and trust. And you don't have to do them perfectly. You just have to do them kindly. If this video spoke to you, let me know in the comments. Which fear it closest to home? And if you're over 40 and trying again quietly or loudly, I see you, my friend. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I publish a new video, you will definitely be notified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video right here.